make some pork tenderloin log. Okay, so we're here in the Sierras. Camp Stone here, by the way, from Mojoe Outfitters, and check it out. There's a lot of water today going by. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we got pork tenderloin right here, and we're going to slice it, try to slice it into a flat, all right? And then we're gonna stuff it. Then we're gonna cook it on the Mojoe. So let's try it. Never done this before, but I got Bubba. We're gonna do this. Okay, so gonna do that. Okay, a little flat there. We're gonna keep going, man. Make it a little flat. Okay, look at that. This is pork. Okay, look at that. We're just gonna keep like flipping it out. Oh yeah. This knife is nice and sharp. I sharpened it before we got here. So, all right, look at that. Okay, so we're gonna stuff that with ricotta cheese. We're gonna stuff it with a little bit of curry powder, salt, pepper, some other things, and then we're gonna cook it on the Mojoe. All right, so look where I am. Check it out. There's a lily there, a Humboldt lily, natural going on right there. We got lots of water going by. And check it out, go up. Aspen, we're in an aspen forest. Okay, so now we're gonna clean the Mojoe. Standard clean the Mojoe thing. So we do salt, we do oil, and the salt is the abrasive. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, check this out. Look down here. I scored a stainless steel freaking Camp Chef stove. All my other ones just rusted out. Look, stainless steel. The whole thing. So we'll see how that goes over time. All right. Now, we're gonna put the strap-on griddle lip on the Mojoe. Check that out. Oops. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take our pork loin, which I've stretched out, and we're gonna throw it on like that. We're gonna sear it. And while it's searing, then we're gonna put on the stuff that we're gonna roll it up in. Okay? So, damn, it's gonna be good. I got these dehydrated hash browns. Check it out. Get them at Costco, I guess. So we just hydrated them. Now we're gonna make that. Look. Oh yeah, baby. Another one. Okay. We're gonna just do that. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And then we're gonna take some oil. Gonna oil them up. Right? Okay. So now, in a minute, we're gonna put all the stuffing into these pork loin rolls. Mojoe pork loin rolls. All right, check this out. Wait. There we go. right, we're good now. Real good. Come on. So, check it out. Nice. Okay. All right. So now we're going to put some. Oh, where's my fork? There they are. All right. Okay. This is ricotta cheese. We're gonna throw that on there. Oh yeah. God, this is gonna be so awesome. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, it just doesn't stop, does it? Okay. Now we're gonna put some cayenne pepper on there. Oh yeah. And then a little bit of curry, huh? There we go. A little bit of curry on there. Oh yeah. And then, oh, garlic salt. Check this out. Throw that on there. Okay. Now, this is the hard part. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we're gonna roll it on up. We're gonna roll it on up. Oh, I think when I dropped it, it broke apart. But, oh yeah. Right there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So then we're gonna take the Mojoe heat helmet. Okay? We're gonna throw that on there. Let it heat up. Maybe a little bit of water in there. Just you know. Oh yeah. Okay. So we got it going on now. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So we're going to slice this up. We've got a plate here. We'll just plate it. Oh. A little bit of that on here. Okay. And then I am going to have a bite. All right, here we go. A little bit of taters, a little bit of that stuffed pork. Oh. It doesn't get any better than that. Not at all. Go to www.mojoegriddle.com. Buy yourself one of these.